In this video, I am going to be reviewing these wireless earbuds from Naztech. This is a Xpods Pro, and I really like the packaging. You can open it up like a book, and you can see the earbuds right there. Before we get started with the unboxing, I got to give you guys my disclaimer. This video is sponsored by Naztech, but I'm still going to review these earbuds just as if I bought it myself. So with that out of the way, let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, there's an instruction manual, and yeah, that is it. So there are your earbuds, the wireless charging case, and the USB-C charging cable. And there are 6 sets of these extra cushions. So you can change out the colors between black and red, and you have different sizes, so it will fit pretty much anyone. So these earbuds, they come in white, black, and red. Of course, I had to go with red. When it comes to wireless earbuds, everyone has either white or black. I feel like this is something different. I had to go with the red to add some color. Now let's take a closer look at the wireless charging case. It feels a little bit smaller than the other charging cases that I have, and that's a good thing. It's pretty portable. And on the bottom, you got your USB-C port. That's always handy because you can charge it with the same cable that you use your phone with. And this charging case also supports wireless charging. That's a really cool feature, especially if your phone supports reverse wireless charging. So you can put it on top of your phone and then it will charge. That's a feature that I've used in the past and it has come in handy. And then we got the earbuds right here. And I really like the red color. It's bright. It looks really cool. It's something different. It's also worth noting that these earbuds are sweatproof. So these are going to come in handy if you take it out to the gym. And overall, these earbuds are pretty minimalistic. They don't have a lot of crazy features, but the stereo sound is really, it feels like you have the music all around you. And that is what I like. It has great bass. It doesn't have any noise canceling, but the good thing about that is that you get better battery life. My other earbuds, the battery dies within an hour. But with this one, it's been over an hour and they are still going strong. In fact, let me go check the battery. I think it's still like 70%. So that is really good. So I took the Xpods Pro outside while I was walking, and it did a pretty good job of blocking out some of the noise. Again, it doesn't have active noise canceling, but the ear cushions, they block out some of the noise. So it was a good balance between enjoying the audio and being able to listen to my surroundings. Xpods Pro also has touch controls, so you can double tap to pause the audio, and you can triple tap to forward to the next track or go backwards. I've been testing out these earphones for the past few days, and so far they held up very nicely. It's a really great balance between the audio quality, the design. For me, the most impressive thing is the battery life, how long it lasts. That's something really important, especially if I like to listen to audiobooks or podcasts. Those can be really long, and I don't gotta worry about my battery dying on me. That is it for this video on the Xpods Pro from Naztech. If you guys are interested in this product, I will have a link in the video description below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments below.